In this video, we'll talk about Kajabi payment setup. For that, in your Kajabi admin, find the settings near the bottom left, and on the next screen, you will find something like this. Under the payment settings, click payment setup. It will lead you to default Kajabi payments. This payments processor actually, allows your site user to pay using Google Pay and Apple Pay. So those specific payment, options is very handy for the mobile users because they can easily pay you. And it is really hard for mobile users to pull out their card and put all the information through their mobile devices. So, you know, having them use Google Pay or Apple Pay will increase your conversion. So to use your default Kajabi payment, all you need to click the get started and follow along, and it will set up your Kajabi payment. But if you want something other solution like PayPal or Stripe, you need to click on the settings again, and under the site settings click third party integration. From here, scroll down a little bit and you will find the PayPal and Stripe. For me, it is only PayPal available in my country, but for you, you might find, Stripe. But if you need any other payment processor, you might want to use a, expert or get help from an expert to integrate that to your website. And that concludes the Kajabi payment setups. And thanks for watching.